Dublin, your epic Irish adventure awaits. Ready to swap your everyday routine for cobblestone streets and the sound of traditional music? Dublin's calling. This isn't just a travel guide, it's your passport to unlocking the magic of Ireland's vibrant capital. Get ready to experience the Craic like never before. Imagine stepping into a living history book. That's Dublin. First stop, Trinity College, where the legendary Book of Kells awaits, a masterpiece that will leave you breathless. Then, journey through time at Dublin Castle, a fortress echoing with centuries of royal secrets and dramatic tales. Don't forget to stand in awe of St. Patrick's Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece that pierces the Dublin skyline. Each stone whispers stories of faith and artistry. These aren't just landmarks, they're portals to Ireland's soul. Time to trade sightseeing for soul-stirring experiences. No Dublin adventure is complete without a pilgrimage to the Guinness Storehouse. Learn the secrets behind the black stuff, and then raise a pint on the rooftop, soaking in panoramic city views. Trust us, it's an experience you won't forget. Next, lose yourself in the electric atmosphere of Temple Bar, where traditional music spills out of every pub and the Craic is always flowing. For a breath of fresh air, escape the city on a day trip to Howth, a charming coastal village where you can feast on fresh seafood and soak up the stunning scenery. After a day of exploring, you'll need a cozy haven to recharge. For a touch of luxury, consider the Merrion Hotel, where elegance meets Irish charm. Or, for a stylish boutique experience, check out the Dean, known for its vibrant atmosphere and trendy design. Dublin offers a range of accommodations to suit every traveller's style and budget. From grand hotels to charming guest houses, you'll find the perfect place to call home during your Dublin adventure. Prepare your taste buds for a delicious adventure. Dublin's culinary scene is a delightful blend of traditional flavours and modern innovation. Indulge in a hearty bowl of Irish stew, a comforting classic that will warm you from the inside out. Savour the creamy goodness of fresh seafood chowder, a taste of the Irish coast in every spoonful. And of course, no culinary journey is complete without pairing your meal with a perfectly poured pint of Guinness. Don't miss out on trying boxty pancakes or a full Irish breakfast for a true taste of Ireland. Want to navigate Dublin like a local? Grab a Leap visitor card for easy access to public transportation. Embrace the Craic, the Irish spirit of fun and good times. Don't be shy. Strike up conversations with locals. They're incredibly friendly and have the best stories to share. Be prepared for all types of weather pack layers. And don't forget comfortable shoes for exploring those cobblestone streets. Book accommodations and tours in advance, especially during peak season. Tipping is customary in restaurants, 10 to 15%, but not always expected in pubs. Dublin is more than just a city. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a place where history comes alive, where music fills the air, and where the warmth of the Irish people will capture your heart. Ready to embark on your own Dublin adventure? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel guides and inspiration. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out the links in the description below for all the important information mentioned. What are you waiting for? Your Dublin adventure awaits.